Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the Forex signal service analysis. And before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the Forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, today we have hit few signals with no problem, and I'm going to talk about those signals as per our signals report that are triggered. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 128,189 and 127,191 is the target price. And guys, you can see that Great Britain Pound USD has become weaker today, and it has gone down. If you look at the daily candle, then you can see it's also pumped down with no problems. Overall, if you have taken sell positions from 128,189, then you must be in very good profits on Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. So this is the second pair of my signals report. So New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 062471 and 063057 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the New Zealand USD has maintained the bullish pattern and it has straight went up. And if overall, you know that today it's Monday and normally the market keeps its momentum a bit slow, but this is quite fine for the day trading, that if you have traded in a bullish manner, then you must be in good profits on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today as on Euro USD. So first three signals out of my signals report hit consecutively, and the third of the one is Euro USD. Euro USD with a bullish expectation from 110690 and 111268 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to make the upward momentum, and within the 3 to 4 hours the market hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended their day with good profits. At last, I'm going to talk about the drop that we have seen today on USD CHF, and USD CHF with a bearish expectation from 096231 and 095742 is the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go weaker and it hit the target price with no, the target price is just missed, so it hit the target price with no problems. Okay guys, overall this is how we use our signals. And if you are new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you are using the red boundary indicators, then you must note that when the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. Look, the pair has gone down. And whenever you see the market is into the low red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to get the expert advisor, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you guys, if you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that USD CHF is going to be bearish, Euro USD is going to be bullish. So this is based on a very simple trick, and if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype, and I charge $700 for that trick. So if you are looking to get this trick, then let me know and send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Moreover guys, please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.